Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this model in FreeCAD 1.1 development version. Okay, let's start. First, we need to create this rectangle feature. Scale small. Create new document, create new part, and create new sketch. We select XY plane, then create a rectangle. We need add rolled corners. Make dimension. Width. The radius 5 mm. Close and select pad command. The length 10 mm. Okay. Next we need to create this feature. So create new sketch. Select XZ plane. Then we create solid from here. Just move it. Here, radius 40 mm. 40. And this center at the line. So we need external geometry, this line, this edge, view sketching, constitute this point onto the line. This 20 mm from the center. So 20 mm. Okay, good. Select this arc. Change as a reference. Close the sketch. Next we need pad. And to distance up to face. Select this face. And another distance side up to face 2. Select another face. Okay. Next we need to create this cylinder 40 mm, 55 from the. So we need select this plane and create new sketch. View sketching. Create circle. Make dimension 40 mm and this length 16. Okay, close the sketch. Pad command 55. Okay. Next we need to create this rectangle. So select this face and create new sketch. We need external geometry this arc. So then create a rectangle. Constitute equal. Make dimension 20 mm. Close the sketch and select Pocket command. Slow. Okay. Next, we need to select these two features, pad and pocket. You need to hold keyboard Ctrl, select these two features, then select learner partner. We need to select these direction Y, and reversed direction, the distance 60, so change. Okay, good. Next, we need to create this pocket feature. Create new sketch, select XZ play. Then we target sketch view and select the external geometry. Select this arc. Next, we need to create a solid from this point, center point. The radius 13 mm. Okay, the sketch is fully constructed. We leave the sketch. Next, select Pocket command. The model, we need to select Symmetrical and tab Slow. Okay, good. Next, we need to create the hole from here. So we need to first create a new sketch. Select this face and create new sketch. We need to create a circle. Then make dimension 19.5 and this distance we see here, so 40 mm. Okay, leave the sketch. Next, we need to select the hole command and select a hard tab count bar. Make dimension here 10 mm and the depth 2 mm. So 10 mm and depth 2 mm. 6 mm. Okay. And here 25 long enough. Good. Next, we need to select this whole feature. We need to select the learn partner. Select the Y and the distance 18 mm. 18. The count 3. Next, we need the direction 2. So this X 95 2 and reversed direction. Good. You see here 3 2. Okay. We need to change the priest view. Change okay, good. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next video.